Today we're going to unlock the secrets to achieving that legendary Greek soldier aesthetic body that turns heads and makes a statement. You're about to discover the ultimate fitness and self-improvement journey, so stick around till the end. Before we dive into the specifics, let's talk about the iconic Greek soldier physique. They were known for their strength, agility, and chiseled bodies. These warriors set the bar high for fitness, and we're here to break down their secrets. Diet and nutrition. First, let's talk about nutrition. The Greek soldiers consumed a balanced diet rich in lean protein, vegetables, fruits, and healthy fats. It's essential to fuel your body properly for the rigorous training that lies ahead. Training regimen. Now, onto the training regimen. Greek soldiers were masters of bodyweight exercises, and so can you be. Incorporate push-ups, squats, planks, and other bodyweight exercises into your routine. To achieve that Greek physique, you'll also want to add weightlifting to build muscle and strength. Mental fortitude. One often overlooked aspect is mental strength. The Greek soldiers had incredible mental discipline. Developing mental resilience and determination is crucial for achieving your goals. Rest and recovery. Don't forget about rest and recovery. Greek soldiers knew the importance of letting their bodies heal. Make sure to get enough sleep and allow your muscles to recover. Conclusion. So there you have it. The secrets to achieving a Greek soldier aesthetic body: proper nutrition, a disciplined training regimen, mental fortitude, rest, and support. Remember, it's not about quick fixes, but a holistic approach to self-improvement. If they could do it, so can you.